Nartanalaya School of Dance are going to present tonight a Jatiswaram and a Tillana. Now, before they begin, Shobhana's Guru, Sri P.T. Narendran, has a message for all of us, all the way from India. Let us listen to that before they begin. Can we have the AV, please?
Consulate General for India in Perth, distinguished guest, ladies and gentlemen, Namaste. I am P.T. Narendran, a Bharatanatyam exponent from Chennai, India. Bharatanatyam is among the oldest of the Indian classical dance forms in the country, with a history that goes back more than 2000 years. The dance integrates elements of music, theatre, poetry, sculpture, and literature. This multi-dimensional art has come down through the centuries as part of a dynamic, vital living tradition that offers infinite scope for understanding and exploring the body, mind, and spirit. My senior disciple, Srimati Shobhana Gopu Iyer, and her Nartanalaya School of Indian Classical Dance has contributed extensively to promoting and creating a greater awareness of Indian classical dance in Western Australia. I am extremely delighted that they will be a part of this historic India at 75 celebrations, the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, organized by the Consulate General of India in Perth. This is indeed an honor. I wish Srimati Shobhana and all the participants the very best. Vanakkam.
Good.